I'm scared, Finn.
Jake, stop it!
What? Oh, it's the gut grinder!
No. He's not the gut grinder. I swear on my good name and justice and Jake's cute face.
His face is weird. The truth is obvious. Your friend is a gut grinder!
No!
You are under arrest for stealing our gold!
I'll get you out of here, somehow.
No, Finn. I belong behind bars. Look at the evidence. I really am the gut grinder.
Buddy, listen to me. You've been my best friend for as long as I can remember. That's enough evidence to prove to me that you're not a monster.
Then why am I in jail? Only gut grinders go to jail.
I'm in jail, and I'm not the gut grinder. I'm here for the free grub.
Wait, I got an idea. Hey, gut grinder! I got some gold here that you missed. Come and get it! Huh. Whoa, you're the gut grinder?
Gut grinder.
Not.
You're a little cutesy.
Am I the gut grinder? All the clues fit. I must be the gut grinder. And I want gold!
Whoa! Yeah, we got him! Thanks for saving me, Jake.
I'm not Jake. I'm the gut grinder. Now give me that gold tooth.
What? Jake? Whoa! Whoa!
Now give me that tooth.
If I give you the stupid tooth, will you stop being a crazy jerk? What the? Jake? You never turn into a monster when I want you to. It's always, not now, Finn. I have a headache. Oh, Jake. Your viola is all I have now.
Stay away from my viola.
Remember your viola!
Also remember that you stink hard at playing it. And Dookie is radical, man. I don't care what anyone says. What? Huh? What? Where am I? Finn? Is that you?
Who else would it be, baby?
Whew. I guess I went nuts.
You are so crazy, man. Like actually crazy. It's good to have you back.
It's good to have you pat my back.
Man, if I'd known you were so easily manipulated, I would have eaten more of your ice cream.
Cut it out!
Cut open the gut grinder's belly.
Let's get our gold back. What the? Sharon, what are you doing in the gut grinder?
That's the mayor's wife.
And the gut grinder's skin is not skin at all. It's cloth. Sharon, have you been sewing?
Yes, Cameron. I've been stealing gold.
Why, Sharon?
Because I like to buy things, Cameron. I like to shop. And I'm dressed up like Jake because I think he's hot.
You have been a naughty girl, Sharon. Guards, throw my wife in jail. Finn and Jake, thank you for saving my spiky village.
No problem, Mayor.
Now, give us a hug.
No, don't do that. Don't hug us.
Ow.
Don't touch
Hey!
us.
Don't touch us!